you doing tonight? Good. On the cameras, can you lower the display, please? Please remain silent and enjoy your show.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
As many of you know, in 1948, on this very ship, a passenger went on a bloody rampage, killing numerous other passengers and crew members on board. Don't worry, he was eventually caught and taken to stateroom B340. But when the ship docked and police arrived, he was never seen or heard from again. This man is known today as Samuel the Savage. And tonight, we will be attempting to contact his spirit to finally unravel this great mystery once and for all. So join me this evening. Who's ready? Okay, we're gonna do that one more time. I said, who is ready? Wonderful. All right, but please be very mindful of your feet. Samuel loves to tickle toes. So if you do not want your feet fondled, please keep them to yourself. Awesome. Also, for my media people, if you could keep your cameras just a little bit closer to yourselves, we need to keep this alleyway open and free. All right? I call upon the spirit realm in search of Samuel the Savage. Samuel, can you hear me? Samuel the Savage. You see, sometimes the spirits do not wish to communicate with us, but we will make him. Samuel, if you could give me some kind of sign that you are here, any day now. Samuel, is that you? Are you willing to communicate with us this evening? Excellent. Well, please first start by... Samuel, are you controlling the radio? You got me, baby, you got me. Right, well, start by telling us about that night, October 14th, 1948. Why did you kill all of those people?
I love it, it feels so fine. I love it, as it thrills my spine. I love it,
All right, well, how many people did you kill that night?
Ain't nobody's business. Nobody's business what I do.
No need for the attitude, but okay. Well, did you really escape from stateroom B340?
down, that boy is lucky. Down, what I mean.
But how? I mean, how did you escape and how did you get away with it?
I'm not failing.
All right, well, I don't understand. That we haven't heard from you in decades. You come here tonight, but you won't talk about that night, so why are you here?
When they hear I rumble up the floor, it's a big surprise they're waiting for.
Samuel? Samuel?
It's a big surprise they're waiting for. When they hear
You're not special, but tonight I suppose you'll do. Your curiosity and my urges will be satisfied tonight. You'll get the answers you seek as you serve as my vessel to return to the physical world. It's time to finish what I started so many years ago. You'll kill with my hands and run in my shoes. Run from those who try to stop me. But with your help, they never will. In fact, they may never leave this room. But I will. VV chains. B340! Nothing can imprison me. I have waited for an arrogant group such as you to come here and summon me for ages. Finally, I can finish my work. There are so many innocent people sleeping aboard the Queen Mary right now. Those poor souls. They'll never see us coming. I'll be honest. I feel a bit rusty. I think I'll get a little practice in before I head off to the rest of the ship. Hello there. I think I'll start with you. Oh, how I miss the feeling of blood on my hands. Your turn, fella. Yes, this is what I've been longing for. Maybe one more for good measure. Sailor. All right. Playtime's over. I got a whole ship to terrorize. I'll let the rest of you leave here with your lives. But when they ask you what you saw in here, tell them you saw no one, nothing. If you tell them anything, I'll know. And when you lie down to sleep tonight, I'll be the last thing you see.